Hi, I'm Rob Carrington, a product manager at Paperless Parts, and I'd like to take a quick moment to walk you through how a newly launched integration between Paperless Parts and JobBOSS² is going to help you streamline your quoting and order entry process. With the bidirectional integration between Paperless Parts and JobBOSS², you can eliminate double data entry, saving valuable minutes and reducing the opportunity for human error to create costly mistakes. The integration automatically imports critical information from JobBOSS² into Paperless Parts, such as customer lists, raw material pricing, work center rates, outside services and vendors, and more. Once an order is placed, the integration also exports all of the information for that order, including the bill of materials and routing information. Let's take a look at how easy it is to use the JobBOSS² integration. Here we are looking at a simple quote with one line item that was built in Paperless Parts. You can see that we've assigned the contact person that we want to send this quote to. This contact was automatically imported from JobBOSS², so it is guaranteed to match up to the existing contact record in JobBOSS² when an order is placed for this quote and the order data is transferred to JobBOSS². Next, let's look at the details for the line item. For this example, we're quoting a CNC machined part, but the process we'll walk through is the same for sheet metal, additive, or any other supported process. Our customer has requested a quote for quantities 1, 10, and 100. We've applied our example router template to populate the routing steps, and Paperless Parts geometric automation logic has populated the setup times and run times according to our predefined rules. All of this routing information will be transferred to the JobBOSS² estimate when the order is placed for this quote. For outside service operations, the integration will import the vendor codes from JobBOSS². The selected code will transfer to the JobBOSS² routing records as well when the order is placed. We can also assign the raw material for this quote by selecting from the materials available in JobBOSS², which have been automatically imported into Paperless Parts. Now that we've finished setting up this quote, let's look at what happens when an order is placed. Suppose the customer sent us a purchase order that indicated they want to buy 100 of this part, along with an additional charge for non-recurring engineering. Let's enter the purchase order number and the facility we will ship to, and then complete the order. As you can see, a new order record was created as a result. If we look at the details for that order, we can see a summarized view of the information that we transferred to JobBOSS². Now let's go look at JobBOSS² to see how this information was brought over. First, let's look at the sales order that was just created by the integration. As you can see, the customer, purchase order number, and order total have been populated based on the information from the Paperless Parts order. Additionally, the integration has populated two line items, one for the ordered part and one for the non-recurring engineering charge. Next, let's look at the estimate record that was created. At first glance, we can see that the part number and product code were both populated based on the information provided on the Paperless Parts quote. Below, we can also see that the materials and routing sections were populated according to the information provided on the Paperless Parts quote as well. So as you can see, this integration is all about making the lives of your estimators and order entry team easier. We've shown that the integration can seamlessly import data from JobBOSS² into Paperless Parts to give you all the information you need at your fingertips to build faster, more accurate quotes. Likewise, the integration automatically exports data from Paperless Parts into JobBOSS² when an order is placed, removing the need for double data entry and avoiding costly mistakes. To get started, please visit the link on the screen. Thank you.